Hey everybody, coming to you live at 9:06 instead of 9:15. How's everybody doing this evening? If you come in a little late, it's okay. I know I said 9:15, but I'm going to do this in two parts actually. So tonight's the first part. It's going to take a little while. So I decided to do it in two parts. We're going to do one layer first, and then tomorrow night probably we'll finish it up. It is cold outside. What is March doing? Typical March, right? It's Kim, Got a Craft by Kim. How's everybody? Once again, listen, it is cold outside. I cannot wait to get through March. So we're going to do this sunflower. And it's not all yellow. As I've stated, it's multicolored. Come on in, come on in. Say hi when you come in, please. I'm going to get us together here. Yep. So, basically, these are the three colors I'm going to use. I decided to mix it up a little bit. Alright. Yes, it has a little blue in it on the bottom side, but most of them you'll be able to see the blue on top. So I haven't really decided on how I'm going to do it because I do want to add a red and a blue inside. So, well, anyway, we'll figure it out as we go along. I also made a multicolored center. Look at that. I know you've seen the picture of it. So cute. It's going to be so cute in the middle. Yeah, but that's going to be last. If you can hear the music behind me, I do not own the rights to it. That was my ring alerting me somebody's on the front porch. But anyway, we're going to get started. So listen, this is a 10-inch frame. And this is what the sunflower is made on. That particular sunflower that I did, the yellow one, which is now gone, sold, thank you. I mailed it off yesterday. But I will do special requests for it if you want it in all yellow. Just let me know, or whatever color, because it can be any color. Alright, so anyway, this is a 10-inch frame. No, I have not seen them at the dollar store. I ordered them from Mel's Crafty Mojo. Shout out to Mel. And I order them in bulk, like 10 at a time. So it has 3 rows or 3 rings, and it has 5 crossbars. And this lattice piece is going to be cut to fit underneath. Alright, because we're going to zip tie all of our petals together on this piece once I attach it and show you. This is a 12 by 18 inch piece. Alright, and I get it from, guess where? Amazon. Alright, and it's a plastic canvas, and I was trying to see. Oh, it's a 7 mesh. So they consider these like 7 wide. They just have numbers. I don't know if they're meaning. It's not 7 inches. It's just 7 mesh. So it's a 7 mesh that I use. Alright. So we're going to take this piece off. We don't really have to. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure the inside ring, but we're going to do it on the outside of the ring. And then we're going to cut it off so it can fit on the back. Now remember, this is a step-by-step sunflower. I would burn the mesh, the poly burlap mesh, at 10 inches. It's a 10-inch width, and I would burn them at 10 inches. And I'm going to, I save a few so I can show you how to do the petal. Okay, and if you want to see how you burn poly burlap mesh with a wood burning tool, I have a video on my YouTube page, Kim Beatty on YouTube. Okay, you can find it there. All right, so let's get this thing started here, and we're just going to measure it out. And you see, I'm putting some of the ring outside because you can get about 3 cuts out off of this one sheet of lattice. All right, so look, I'm going on the outside